Hello my friend, welcome to our YouTube channel Lifestyle Collection. Today we talk about 2022 Turkish drama Börü 2039, cast, real name and ages. So please don't skip the video, watch till end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Börü 2039-2022, English name Wolf 2039, real cast. Number 1, her birth name Murat Arkın as Kemal Boratao. Date of birth 4 May 1975. Present age 47 years old in 2022. Number 2, her birth name Tuğçe Açıkgöz as A.G. Kara. Date of birth 10 February 1993. Present age 29 years old in 2022. Number 3, her birth name Cenay Türksever as Caglar. Date of birth 13 May 1990. Present age 32 years old in 2022. Number 4, her birth name Tuğba Sunguroğlu as Tomruz Boratao. Date of birth 17 May 1999. Present age 23 years old in 2022. Number 5, her birth name Doğan Bayraktar as Korkut Bora Urbay. Date of birth 8 August 1995. Present age 27 years old in 2022. Number 6, her birth name Deniz Uğur as Al-Mala'erk. Date of birth 17 October 1973. Present age 49 years old in 2022. Number 7, her birth name Ahmet Pınar as Babaros Chipni. Date of birth 20 August 1972. Present age 50 years old in 2022. Number 8, her birth name Muhammad Önel as Yunus Kunduz. Date of birth 1st January 1997. Present age 25 years old in 2022. Number 9, her birth name Fatih Çetintaş as Batuhan Demir. Date of birth 6 March 1997. Present age 25 years old in 2022. Number 10, her birth name Mashood as Sajjad. Date of birth 16 February 1993. Present age 29 years old in 2022. Number 11, her birth name Merih Öztürk as Cenay. Date of birth 28 December 1999. Present age 23 years old in 2022. Number 12, her birth name Cansel Elçin as Nuruddin Fourier. Date of birth 20 September 1973. Present age 49 years old in 2022. Number 13, her birth name Eskindir Tesfay as Alim. Date of birth 13 October 1976. Present age 46 years old in 2022. I hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for future updates, like, comment, share. Take care. See you next video.